Okay, Dave here again, here to say thank you again for the amazing job you've done collecting all the different food items that you have done for Winterwatch this year. This is your last day. You're going to split after this assembly and you're going to have a great Christmas. But you've made a great Christmas happen for so many people, and you're going to continue that after Christmas. 3,500, 4,000 meals will cook. You're a part of that. 70, 80 people a night taken care of. You're a part of that. Changing the future, you're a part of that. This Christmas, you've made an awesome job. You've done something amazing. So when you go on holiday and you have this time of sitting back, kicking back, watching a bit of James Bond, I expect, just think, feel proud. You've done a great thing. You've taken care of people you will never meet. And when you give to somebody that you'll never be able to say here, and for them to say thank you, that's even better, and that's an amazing gift. So I get to say thank you. They can't say thank you, but I get to say thank you on their behalf for you all doing such an amazing job. And I wish you just the world's greatest Christmas, a peaceful time. Take it easy, don't do anything silly, but thank you so much. You're brilliant.